Where do polar bears live? Have you ever wondered where polar bears call home? These magnificent creatures are native to the Arctic regions, thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their primary habitat consists of sea ice, which is essential for their survival. Polar bears relying on this icy platform for hunting, resting, breeding, and caring for their young. This unique relationship with sea ice makes them perfectly suited to life in the Arctic. Geographically, polar bears are found in several countries. They roam across Canada, Alaska in the United States, Russia, Greenland, and Norway, particularly in the Svalbard archipelago. These bears inhabit areas around the Arctic Ocean, often near coastlines and islands where sea ice forms. Their range extends to southern areas like James Bay in Canada and the Gulf of St. Lawrence, but their presence here is seasonal and depends on the availability of sea ice. Polar bears are incredibly mobile animals. They can travel long distances as they follow the shifting sea ice. And like many animals, they do not have fixed territories. Their habitat expands in winter and contracts in summer, which means they are always on the move. As the sea ice melts, some polar bears may spend more time on land, especially during the warmer months. However, this can lead to nutritional stress and increased interactions with humans, which is not ideal for either species. The Arctic environment is vital for polar bears, providing the necessary conditions for their survival. Unfortunately, climate change poses a serious threat to their habitat. The reduction in the extent and duration of sea ice impacts their ability to hunt and feed effectively. This situation highlights the importance of preserving polar bear habitats to ensure they can continue to thrive despite environmental challenges. In summary, polar bears live in the Arctic regions, relying heavily on sea ice for their survival. They inhabit areas in several countries and are highly mobile, adapting to the changing conditions of their environment. However, the ongoing effects of climate change are a significant concern for their future. Understanding where polar bears live and how they interact with their habitat is essential for their conservation.